Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can provide us with reviews on the Trustpilot platform. First, open a new tab on your browser and type Trustpilot WiselyWise. Click on the first link that says WiselyWise PTE Limited Reviews. This is how the Trustpilot platform screen will look like. On this Trustpilot platform screen, give star rating and click on Write a Review. You can also edit the star rating later on. Write a brief description of your review in the box given below. Select your date of experience from this calendar icon. Lastly, give a suitable title to the review that you've provided. Click on the checkbox. Click on Continue with Google account and select the Google account that you want to use for signing in. Once done, your review will automatically get submitted on the Trustpilot platform.